Hey YouTube, this is Abdul Car Fix. This is a very quick one here. Valve cover gasket. This motor leaking in the back by the valve cover gasket. This is a 2000 Toyota Camry with the 2.2. If you wonder where the bolts are to hold the valve cover, it's those guys right here. See those guys right here? Those are, let's see. They are 30 mil. You use 30 mil. You put it in here, and you loose them up. All four of them. There's all four. Spark plugs holes down there too. So as you see, I'm tying them right up right now. So those guys, you loose them up, and as soon as you loose them up, you get a pry bar like that. Big fat pry bar. And you just go right here and pry it, and it pops right out. Make sure you clean the old gasket. There's some RTVs. Make sure they clean all the little dry RTVs on the corners, on each corners, and you should be good from there. It's a good time to change spark plugs, wires, anything like that while you're doing this. It's simple. It's one of the easiest valve cover gasket. 30 mil washers. Take them out. You pop the cover. Clean it, clean the surface, put it back together. You can snug those when you feel like it's nice and snug. Put a dab of RTVs on the spots that you're going to be cleaning, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.